This is exactly how to fix Fall Guys connection error on your PS4 or PS5. So what you need to do firstly is to just go into settings here on your PS5 and then click on users and accounts here. And then click on other and then click on restore licenses. Now select Fall Guys and click on restore in the bottom right corner. I'm just gonna close this application here as well so it can actually finish this restoring process. So it's gonna take you a couple of seconds to be able to finish it. And now when it's done, we're gonna go back here to the settings again and then click on network. Now click on settings here and then click on setup internet connection. And now on your Wi-Fi that you're connected to here, as you can see, just simply click on this button right here on your controller and then click on advanced settings. Now just scroll down, click on DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. And then primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1 as you can see, and then click on OK in the bottom right corner. So do this and then wait for it to establish the connection here once again as you can see, and try again and see if it works. This actually fixed it for me and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.